In this Mirion do-it-yourself video, we will show you how to replace the MCA and main board batteries in your Lynx MCA. These batteries are used for the real-time clock and to store other MCA settings. Before you get started, you will need to purchase two Energizer 357/303 batteries or their equivalents. You will also need to make a note of the current Lynx setup. Replacing the batteries will reset the Lynx to the default factory settings. To begin, power down the unit's high voltage. To do this, use the hardware utilities in Genie 2000, Apex, or Web Links as shown here to turn off the high voltage. Then disconnect the unit from the detector, computer or network, and power supply. Once the unit is powered down, remove the top and left side covers by removing the 6 top, 4 side, and 2 left bottom screws. Make sure to use good electrostatic discharge safety practices when handling the boards within the unit. Remove and replace the battery on the MCA board located on the top right of the Lynx. This board can be removed for easier access. Push the 2 pins holding the board in place towards the front of the Lynx. Pull the board out and replace the battery, making sure the positive side of the battery is facing up. Once the battery is in place, insert the board back into the Lynx and push the 2 pins back in place. Remove and replace the battery on the main board located on the bottom middle of the left side. This battery must also have the positive side facing up. Reassemble the unit by screwing the covers back in place. Connect the Lynx to the detector, computer, or network power supply. Restore your Lynx IP and other settings. Directions for this can be found in the Lynx User's Manual, Appendix B.
For further assistance, please call 1-800-255-6370.